Hello, Reason View family. Hey, this is a moment we've been waiting for, or at least I've been waiting for. I mentioned in my video yesterday that I have been waiting on this, and here it is. It has finally made its arrival today. Thank goodness. After ordering, I think I ordered February 15th, 16th, somewhere in there. This is it. Marshmallow blush. Look at that. We've got scent mail. Cute packaging. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's see. First impressions of Paris Corners Marshmallow Blush, which is supposed to be duping, inspired by Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and I have smelled that in Sephora. I just wait on dupe. And I have not smelled the new one that has been put out by Kayali just yet. That's okay. So here's the packaging, y'all. Let's see. Am I supposed to? Oh, okay, yeah, I am supposed to. Look at that. All right. There it is. Okay, so when I was gonna bypass this, and of course, we get influenced by the influencers. So social media certainly, of course, hyped it up. Goodness, why can't there we go. Now that was a struggle. There it is. I don't know. I think about semi cute. I'm not all that crazy about it, but it is different. So I guess I like that the fact that it's different. So I got this on the I don't know the second or third wave of pre-orders. It was all sold out. All right. Ooh, I got it spraying, and hmm decent atomizer. Excuse me. Something tickled my nose just a little bit, but I'm taking it all in. It's gourmand for sure. It's sweet and it's marshmallowy. I like it. Now, like I said, this was like the third round of pre-orders and it wasn't ready to even mail out. Let's see, let's check the dates. There's our holographic sticker. Um, batch number March 2025. Yeah. Manufacturing, it says February 2025, but the batch, this is a batch that was made in March. So this is fresh, hot off the press. Something in this reminds me of this Google Puff. Let me spray this. We already talked about Giggle Puff, but something about right now, honestly, this smells maybe like a sweeter version of Giggle Puff. They're not the same. It's just something about it it's like it has this little Giggle DNA in the background of it. But this is first impression, and I'm okay with it. First impression, I like it, and I know it's since I've sprayed it out, it's probably gonna do its thing. Um, as far as maceration, yeah, this is Giggle Puff. This is Marshmallow Blush. It is similar. I will say that this Marshmallow Blush, from memory, because I did, like I said, I did not buy the Kayali version, the original of what this is inspired by. I did not purchase it, but from memory, it smells similar to it. Yeah, I can't wait to let this sit for a bit and then actually full wear it and tell you guys all about it. Okay, I am so glad, and she finally showed up. I think it's been seven. Let's see. Yeah, we're talking like 7 weeks waiting for this because it was you had to pre-order and it was sold out and all that jazz. And I think even now, if you want to order, you got to do a pre-order because this next round of when I order is already sold out. Yep. Anyway, that's first impressions Marshmallow Blush. It is a gourmand. It's nice. You get a hint of strawberry. It's sweet. It's marshmallowy, fluffy, all that good stuff. Anyway, that's that. You guys have a lovely rest of your Monday night. I am going to go get myself together and ready for Betty Bye. All right. Remember, only what you do for Christ will last. See y'all later.